In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications in Outlook. If you've ever found yourself distracted by a constant stream of notifications, you know how important it is to manage what pops up on your screen. So let's jump right in and regain control of your notification settings in just a few simple steps. First, we'll begin by heading over to Outlook's login page. Whether you're using Microsoft 365 or another version, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Outlook login portal. Once there, you'll want to click on the Sign In button. You might already be familiar with this if you use Outlook often, but if not, don't worry, it's generally located in a prominent spot on the page. This will direct you to enter your credentials, so just pop those in as you normally would. Once you've successfully logged into your account, you'll find yourself in your Outlook mail. Here, we're going to focus on finding the settings icon. It's typically located in the top right corner of your mail interface and might look like a little gear. Click on that, and a sidebar should pop open with lots of different configuration options. It might feel a bit overwhelming with so many choices, but no need to stress, we're just looking for one key feature today. Next, have a look through those settings options for general. This section is typically near the top and is where you can do a deeper dive into the overarching settings for your Outlook account. Clicking on general will expand a list containing various items, but our interest lies with notifications here. So now within the general tab, find the notifications setting. This is where you have the chance to really tailor how Outlook communicates with you regarding incoming emails and updates. Once you've pulled up the notification settings, you'll see a variety of options for customizing your experience. Here's where you can disable desktop notifications or any other alerts that pop up when you receive a new message. This should greatly reduce those noisy interruptions as you work. By systematically following these steps, you can choose which types of notifications you'd prefer to keep active or entirely quiet them all depending on your needs. By regaining control over these settings, you'll find your day can be much more focused and productive without the constant beeping interruptions. So there you have it. You've just turned off those pesky Outlook notifications. We hope this tutorial has been clear and helpful. Adjusting your email settings is a small but impactful way to enhance your productivity. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your digital life a little smoother. Thanks for watching.